This is grade 7, chapter 10, part 4, how to graph linear relations. So a linear relation is a pattern made by two sets of numbers that result in points going up along a straight line when graphed. So linear, you can see it's a line, and the relation is that it's always the same amount going up. It's like this is what we've been doing all chapter, with every time it increases by 3, or it increases by 5, or it increases by 2. So we're going to go over an example. Dr. Seuss often described patterns in unique ways. So he once wrote about a pup in a cup and 3 in a tree. So the numbers of pups and the numbers of fish in the tree will be, and we'll move this down here. And we're going to graph this. So 1 is 3. So we're going to put fish down here. And we're going to put pups. Sorry, we're going to put fish on the side and pups on the bottom. And then fish over here. So if this is 1, 2, and 3, and or 1, 2, 3. So if we go 1 and 3, we go 1 pup and 3. We start right here. There's the first one. If we go 2 pups, we know that the amount of fish is 1, 2, 3, right here. If we go 3 pups, we go again right here. If we go 4 pups, if we go 5 pups, and 6 pups. And you can see as this goes along, it starts here and goes up along a line. So my drawing is off because, you know, I'm not the best of drawers, but if you can, that's going to be 3 would be 9 and 4 would be 12, but that's kind of how the linear relation is going to go. So describe the pattern of the points on your graph. We're going to have as we look back for here, the number of pups are the number of fish are 3 times the amount of pups. So 3 pups, right, equals, 3 times the number of pups equals the number of fish. So 3 pups equals the amount of fish. So if you had 2, that would be 3 times 2 equals 6. And that's what we had up here. 3 times 2 equals 6. So the next question, for every pup in a cup, there are 4 fish at the store. Complete the table and plot as a graph. So the number of pups is 1. The number of fish is 4 now. So there's 4 at the store. So if we go 1, and then we put pups down here, we put fish over here, and we again go to, there's 1 pup and there's 4 fish. So 1, 2, 3, 4 fish right there. For the second pup, we have 8 fish. So we know that right there. So it's a little steeper of a graph this time. It's 3 pups, that's 12. 4 is 16, and that should be enough points. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's your third. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's your fourth. 2, 3, 4, and there's your fifth. So as we go here, you can see that it's coming, that's the straight line. So as we go through there. So I'll just delete this because there's no data for that point right there. So 5 would equal 20. And that's how many we have there. So if you scroll down, as we scroll down, describe the pattern of points on the graph. And again, that's how many pups times 5. So 5p, 5 pups, equals the amount of fish. Because for every fish, it should be 4, not 5. 4. So 4 times p equals the amount of fish. So Armad is 4 years old. His allowance starts at $2 per week. Each year he gets $1 per year increase. Also, first of all, or Matt at 4 years old getting $2 a week is awesome. The graph shows what his total allowance will be after the increase each year. So continue the pattern, make the table for values for the first 6 values. So we know that at 4 years old, age, and then money, he's going to get $2. And then at age 5, he's going to get $6. Or sorry, $3. And at age 6, he's going to get $4. And at age 7, he gets $5. And we just have 2 more to go. 8 and 9, and he's going to get $6 and $7. So describe the patterns of the points on the graph. So it's actually age minus 2 equals the amount of money that he's going to get per year. So if his age is 20 minus 2, he's only going to get $18 that year. So that's the pattern. It's age minus 2. That's, as we can see here, it's 4 minus 2, and 5 minus 2 equals 3, and 6 minus 2 equals 4. So that's the pattern that we've picked up there. The final example: during each episode, a contestant is eliminated from Canadian Star singing competition. The competition starts with 10 contestants. The graph shows the number of contestants left after each episode. So continue the pattern to make a table values for the first 6 values of X. So at X again, we know that this is X and this is Y. So this is Y and this is X. So we're going to go X. So for the first 6 values of X. So if the first one is 9. So it starts with 9 episodes. So the first episode and the number of contestants. So the first episode, there's going to be 9 contestants left. The second one, there's going to be 8. The third one, there's going to be 7. The fourth one is going to be 6. The fifth one is going to be 5. The sixth one is going to be 4. So this is it's actually going backwards. But if we know that it starts with 10 contestants, describe the patterns of the points on the graph. We know that it starts at 10 and it goes down by 1 every time as the episodes go up by 1. So if we actually describe the pattern of the points on the graph and we put 10 minus X, which is the episode number, which is plotted along the X-axis here, we know that 10 minus X equals Y, which is what was on this one Y here, which is contestants left. So how many contestants will be left after episode 9? If we have 10 minus 9, because that's the episode number, is 9, we will have 1 contestant remaining. Your homework is page 378, 379, questions 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. If you have any questions, please come see me.